Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to gather bones in Green Hell. This is going to be especially useful for making bone needles and many other things. So to begin, first of all, you can find corpses around the forest on which you can find also some bones. As you can see, you can find bones inside of it once you pick the maggots from the animal. And the second option is using a bow or a spear and hunting these bigger animals, just like this one. And once you've finally gathered the animal using some bows, now you'll need to have also a knife or a blade. As you can see here, stone blade. And you want to go ahead and hold E to harvest it. And once you do, you'll get some meat, which you can cook, make stews. And also, as you can see, you'll get many bones from it. So this is pretty much all. How to get bones in Green Hell. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.